In this video, I will be showing you how to fix the problem when you're trying to run a bash script and it says command not found. So I'm in the directory where the bash script is currently located. When I put in the command, it says command not found. This is what you'll have to do. You have to put // and then your bash script file. That way it can look at the current directory. So you're forcing it to look at the current directory, and then you will find the output that the bash script is supposed to be displayed. Now I was only doing a test, and so in your situation perhaps you will have to use sudo because it says permission denied for me. So you'll probably have to use sudo // and then the bash script file, and then it will run the bash script for you. That is all that there is to it. Stay happy.